ledger entries. On this topic, we are going to define what ledgers are. We are going to see some items that are to be placed on the ledger, what they stand for, and we are going to take some examples of how to post entries into the ledger. So first, we are going to take the definition of a ledger. A ledger has been defined as a main book of account for recording business transactions. All transactions that are recorded in business, ledger is the main book that these transactions are to be recorded. We have different items that are to be placed on the ledger that you can find in the ledger. Some of the items are date, particulars, you have folio, and amount. Date is the day the transaction took place. Particulars is the name of the other account, while folio is the page number, and amount is the amount that is represented in the transaction. The amount for the transaction, the money that is involved in the transaction is what you record on that column. From the note already posted to you, you've seen the different types of ledgers we have. You have the personal and impersonal ledger. Now that we've seen those items that are to be posted in the ledger, we'll have to see how our ledger looks like. That will take us to the formats for the ledger. Ledger, most often, the T method is used. The T method is like this, indicating the two sides of the ledger, which are the debit and the credit sides of the ledger. Ordinarily, if you want to draw the ledger in full, then you have to fix in those items that we said can be found on the ledger. And those items are dates, particulars, folio, and amount. Then you have dates. On the credit side also, particulars, folio, and amount. So whichever method you decide to use, either the full method or the T method, which is most often used in preparing ledgers, it is okay. But this is ideally the format for your ledger entries. Now that we've known the format or how it is done, we are going to take some examples of how to post transactions using the ledger.